Buying a luxury car might seem like a dream come true, but some of these high-end vehicles lose value faster than you'd expect. In fact, many luxury models drop by more than half their price within just a few years. That means you could be throwing away tens of thousands of dollars. In this video, we'll reveal 5 luxury cars that depreciate the fastest, explain why it happens, and help you avoid costly mistakes. If you're planning to buy a premium car, make sure you watch until the end. Number 1 will shock you. 5. BMW 7 Series. The BMW 7 Series is one of the most luxurious sedans you can buy. It offers powerful engine options, cutting-edge technology, and a smooth, comfortable ride. But when it comes to value over time, this beauty takes a big hit. On average, the 7 Series loses over 60% of its value within just 5 years. That means a car that costs $100,000 new could be worth less than $40,000 in just a few short years. Why the huge drop? The main reasons are high maintenance costs, rapidly aging tech, and tough competition from rivals like Mercedes-Benz and Audi. Plus, many 7 Series models are leased rather than purchased, which floods the used market and drives resale prices even lower. If you're thinking about owning one, a used or certified pre-owned model might be the smarter choice. You'll still enjoy luxury and performance without watching your money vanish with depreciation. 4. Jaguar XJ. The Jaguar XJ is known for its sleek design, elegant interior, and smooth driving experience. But when it comes to resale value, it's a risky choice. The XJ can lose up to 60 to 65% of its value in just 5 years, making it one of the fastest depreciating luxury sedans on the market. So why does it drop so fast? Jaguar's smaller market share, costly repairs, and lower brand loyalty compared to German rivals all play a part. Parts can be expensive, and finding skilled mechanics isn't always easy. Plus, newer models haven't made a big splash in the market, which affects demand. While the XJ may turn heads, it doesn't hold onto your money. If you want luxury without the long-term loss, you're better off buying it used or looking at more stable alternatives in the same price range. 3. Maserati Gibli. The Maserati Gibli is a stylish Italian luxury sedan known for its sporty looks and exciting engine sound. But behind that, beauty is a big financial downside. It can lose up to 65% of its value within just 5 years. That's one of the steepest depreciation rates in the luxury car market. Why such a sharp drop? First, reliability is a concern. Owners often report costly repairs and inconsistent performance. Second, while it carries the high-end Maserati badge, the Gibli shares many parts with lower-end cars, which weakens its luxury appeal. Plus, the interior materials don't always match the high price tag. Another issue is the limited dealer network, making maintenance and resale more difficult. With high ownership costs and low demand in the used market, the Gibli turns out to be a poor investment. If you're drawn to its design, buy used or look elsewhere for better long-term value. 2. Audi A8. The Audi A8 is Audi's flagship luxury sedan, known for its refined design, cutting-edge technology, and smooth driving experience. It offers advanced features, a powerful engine, and an ultra-comfortable ride. But despite all this, the A8 suffers from heavy depreciation, losing up to 60% of its value in just 5 years. So why does such a well-built luxury car lose value so fast? One big reason is the rapid pace of technology. Audi loads the A8 with high-end tech features, but these become outdated quickly. After just a few years, newer models feel far more advanced, making older ones harder to sell. Another reason is high maintenance and repair costs. Once the warranty ends, owners face expensive bills for servicing and part replacements, which scares off many used car buyers. Also, luxury sedans in general have fallen out of favor, with more buyers choosing SUVs instead. That shift in demand hurts resale value even further. While the A8 delivers a premium experience, it may not be the smartest financial decision if you're buying new. If you love the car, consider a certified pre-owned version. You'll still enjoy the luxury, but at a much better price. 1. Mercedes-Benz S-Class. The Mercedes-Benz S-Class is often seen as the gold standard of luxury sedans. It's loaded with advanced features, cutting-edge technology, and unmatched comfort. But despite its status, the S-Class is also one of the fastest depreciating luxury cars on the market, losing up to 70% of its value within 5 to 7 years. Why does such an iconic car drop in value so fast? First, it's packed with new tech that gets outdated quickly. Every new generation of the S-Class brings big upgrades, making older models feel behind the curve. That rapid innovation actually hurts resale value. Second, the cost of maintenance and repairs can be extremely high once the warranty ends. Buyers in the used market often hesitate, knowing they'll be on the hook for expensive fixes. Lastly, because so many S-Class models are leased, the used market gets flooded every few years, driving down prices even further. So while the S-Class offers unmatched luxury, buying it new can be a costly mistake. If you love the car, the smart move is to buy a low-mileage used one. You'll save tens of thousands and still ride like royalty. Luxury cars are all about style, comfort, and performance, but if you're not careful, they can also be money traps. Depreciation hits some models harder than others, and buying the wrong one brand new could cost you thousands. That's why it's so important to look beyond the badge and really understand how a car holds its value. If you want the luxury experience without the financial loss, consider going for a used or certified pre-owned model. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more smart car content, and share your thoughts in the comments.